Hey guys, welcome back to my train videos. It's been quite a while. I actually had this video ready to go mid-summer last year, so this is kind of an old video. This model's already been released, come and gone, but I had a house fire in July and took me about 9 months to get back, everything built and fixed and back in order, and there was some water damage to the layout, so I had to fix the track and do a bunch of stuff. So anyway, it's been a while now. We're back and we got a train video today of a model that I kind of got last summer. This is a Northern 484 and it is a Frisco model, the Frisco Meteor, pretty famous train. These of course were based, a lot of these are based off the Santa Fe Northerns are probably the most famous, but anyway, this is just one of those revisions from one of the different railroads, and this model is like in obviously the Meteor colors of blue and white and silver, and this is a legacy model with Bluetooth, all the full features, smoke and whistle steam, all the main stuff that comes with all the legacy engines today. So in general, this is just like any other legacy engine you would buy. There's a couple differences. So let's just look at some of the small things that you get with the engine. Okay, so you get a some extra smokestacks right here, as you can see, that you can put on. They're different styles basically, right? And these are basically smokestacks hoods that you can put on your smokestack, replace the one that's on there. So on the engine right here, the standard one that's on here just kind of pops right off, and you can get a new one on there. And that's really to so you can model the actual either Error or the Northern version that you want to. So it's kind of nice they give you those extra smokestacks with it. So a little extra feature. And then of course they give you all the standard stuff like the extra traction tires, a scale couplers. So pretty much standard at that point. So let's actually look at the engine itself. So beautiful colors on this engine. Obviously it's got a lot of very nice details on it. It's a large engine. These Northerns were big engines. And paint jobs are beautiful with the Meteor. So great detail. Whistle steam comes out of the whistle on the side here. So all the controls for the on-off switches and everything are under this plate right here, right at the top. So that's convenient. You don't have to turn the engine over if you need to turn something off or reprogram it, whatever you want to do there. And that's pretty much it. So let's start her up and see what she sounds like.
This is the dispatcher. Do you copy? I copy that. Over. Start up and get ready to move. Over. Yes, sir. Start up and stand by. Out. Tower, my oil's full. Am I cleared to the outbound? Over. Roger, your track is clear. Dispatcher, over. Acknowledged. I've got clear boards. Out.
All right, so that's it for the Frisco Meteor 484 Northern. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.